Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Nur Iman bin Ahmad Rusdi. I'm from Politeknik Shalam. Surely many of us have motorcycle, right? Do you know how to change a light bulb when it is burned? Danger of riding motorcycle without light when at night. Do you know? There are 5 easy steps to change it. Let's go.
There are 5 easy steps to change it. Before doing this work, please keep your hand dry. First of all, some screw on the cover set part of the lamp need to be opened. There are 6 screws that need to be opened on the cover set.
Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
After that, the cover set is opened by pulling it out with a screwdriver.
We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable.
Next, a light bulb inside the lens are removed. Make sure you do not touch the bulb while the motorcycle is on or hot. Then, the burn bulb is replaced with a new bulb.
We will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it.
Please make sure you insert the bulb in a correct position. Make sure you test the light before you insert the motorcycle cover set.
We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. When you feel it's hopeless, when you
Then, insert the motorcycle cover set.
I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding.
Finally, the motorcycle cover set is inserted and fastened with a screw. Warning, please make sure you do not fasten the screw too tightly as it may cause loose screw.
We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone.
After complete the step, the motorcycle is ready to ride. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.